Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you step by step on how to log into your PayPal business account securely. Whether you're managing payments, checking invoices, or monitoring your business cash flow, keeping your account safe is essential. Follow these instructions to protect your information while accessing your dashboard. Step 1. Go to the official PayPal website. Open your browser and type paypal.com directly into the address bar. Avoid clicking on links from emails, ads, or unknown websites to prevent phishing risks. Once the page loads, click Login at the top right corner. Step 2. Enter your business email and password. Type the email address associated with your PayPal business account. Enter your password carefully. Make sure you're on the official PayPal domain before submitting. Never save your password on public or shared devices. Step 3. Complete the two-factor authentication, 2FA. PayPal may ask you to enter a security code sent to your phone or Authenticator app. This extra step ensures that only you can access your account, even if someone knows your password. Step 4. Review your account login activity. Once you're logged in, go to Settings, then Security, then Manage your logins. Check recent login locations and devices. If you see anything unusual, immediately secure your account by changing your password. Step 5. Enable additional security features. For maximum protection, activate these options within your PayPal settings. 2FA using an Authenticator app, automatic suspicious activity alerts, biometric login if using the PayPal app. These features help prevent unauthorized access and keep your business transactions safe. Step 6. Log out after each session. When you finish your tasks, click Log Out from the top right menu. This is especially important if you're using a shared or work computer. For more secure login tutorials and business account tips, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.